Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. So I'm not really used to vlogging but thought of vlogging my day. I'll try. So basically let's start with today's mess. As always, I just had a shower. I did work out. I did hurt myself very badly. Basically I was just working out in the morning and I was doing the butt kicks, and that time I hit the bed this side very badly and it's like cut really deep, so I just need to do something. And again here also I cut myself. What I did was I had this 20 rupees ka naya Kora crisp wala bundle and I tried to just draw one note out, and yeah, the note was very sharp, so I cut myself very deep. Foolish me. But yeah, so talking about what I'm going to be doing right now is cleaning this mess, because I always land up into this situation wherein I'm sitting in between a whole lot of mess, or PR boxes or carton boxes. Everywhere this kachra, like literally. So I have to put all of these stuff in. I had this PR box as well, of which I've applied this shade today. It's a very good one. This is a nude sensation. I really liked it. Then I'll be applying this foot cream because winter season is here and Nikhil suggested me to try this one out for my feet. So yeah, basically I just need to clean it all up. I'm yet to do my skincare. I need to iron my clothes. I was so lazy that I just put them on. So yeah, many of you keep asking me why I'm not posting makeup tutorials because of this, because most of my makeup is still packed, you guys. I don't have my entire makeup collection out. I just have some organized in these drawers over here. So basically we are going to be making a new chest of drawers right over here, so that I can store my makeup really well. So basically I just have all of my makeup in here. These are my blushes, then bronzers at the back. Here we have the powders, highlighters, and the setting spray section. Here I have some lashes, some PR extra stuff that I have. Then I also have all of my MAC makeup stored right in there, and this is like an extra section of makeup, all new ones that I'm not really using. And this is just my planner that I write all of my stuff in. I store my iron as well in there. This is just my nail paint section. Basically that's all it. And अभी खोल ही दिया है तो थोड़ा जगह पर रख ही देते हैं, right? Diwali is done, but still I don't know, I feel like I'm still into doing all of this cleaning stuff. And another reason why my makeup tutorials are not here is this, because all of my brushes are super dirty. I need someone to really help me wash them. I'm super lazy. That's us. Our friend gifted us that. Yes, basically there's a lot to be done and there's a lot that's undone. I need to do it. So let's start with first watering my tulsi. So I've already put water in here. So all I need to do is go and water my tulsi. I also need to do my laundry today. Sorry for showing you that, see. But yeah, the laundry needs to be done too because our help is on leave today. And me and Mama are planning to go to D-Mart as well. Let's see how it goes. That's my tulsi. The rest of water goes in the bucket. Tell me, what are you guys doing? Like right now there's a lot of pre-shot content that I haven't even posted yet, like one of the hauls that I recently posted. I'm just not able to get back to work as efficiently as I was before, because there's a lot of rituals, then settling into the new home, traveling here and there, roaming around, and just chilling with new people, cousins, like. So yeah, I wasn't able to get back to my routine, but Nikhil told me very clearly that I need to get back and be more consistent. Yeah. So that is all of my skincare drawer. Last night I used this. So I've been using this for a very long time now. I love this because this one is fragrance free and an exfoliating peel. Earlier I had this Dot and Key one, but the only reason why I was not really sure about this was the fragrance. But now that I have this, I don't really use this. I love this one. You should definitely give it a try. And yes, let's do the skincare together. So nothing is sponsored in this particular one, but I've already used my minimalist toner. I hardly had this much left. I love this. And post that, because it is the morning time, I would be using Nykaa Skin RX Vitamin C. So you can use vitamin C in the morning, but you have to compulsorily use a sunscreen, and I cannot do without my sunscreen. So I'll be just taking a little amount of this. So again, Nykaa Skin RX is Nykaa's line obviously, but it is fragrance free and really good skincare, so I've been loving it as well. Post that serum is absorbed, I like to go in with my moisturizer, but both are empty. So I've ordered one from Amazon, and yeah, so just waiting for it. This is empty, or else I would have used the Plum fragrance free moisturizer. I love this one, but now that I don't have it, all I do is directly go in with my sunscreen. This is my absolute favorite. This is from Bello. This was suggested by my Dmart, and since then I've put so many people on this sunscreen. This is a new one. I've already finished so many of these. I'll just love it. This particular one feels like, you know, a strobe cream. When it is on, you can see it just goes like purple. You see, it just goes like purple when you put it on, and it looks damn pretty. So I love it, especially if you have dry skin. Try this one out. I love to load myself with sunscreen. कपड़ों पर भी लगा दिया. Wow. Basically that's it. I've already applied my Lakme lipstick, and that's how I run around. Very simple. Don't really do much. All I do is just comb my hair out, and that's it. That's all I do. Very simple kind of routine, and that's my skin completely unfiltered. And many of you keep asking what worked for my skin. It was all fragrance free products, and majorly it was minimalist skincare routine. I was on tranexamic acid, I was on alpha arbutin, niacinamide, and then I also really love their alpha arbutin, to be true. But I've gone through multiple of those bottles and I've really loved them. I also love the plum niacinamide, the fragrance free one again. So yeah, the Nykaa skincare. Now recently, like, so many of them are coming up with fragrance free skincare, and yes, they all are good. So that is my OOTD. Now let's run some errands. Welcome to Nidhi's kitchen. So yeah, I wanted to make this curry wala sabzi. If you know this, I really love these beans, and how do I show it to you? If you know these beans, I really love them, and planning to make this curry style sabzi of this, but I think they come ahead. I almost set. इतना में नहीं होगा. I would need to get some more curd. Then we can cook the curry wala sabzi. What do you call these beans? These white colors. I love them. So I'm up after a nice cozy nap in the afternoon. Now just getting ready to go to D-Mart. I had my tea, which is essential. Now for my face, I just applied my sunscreen back because I love it so much. Thinking of what lipstick should Nidhi apply. Okay, so I'm applying the shade brown tan. Let's see how this looks. And then we need some perfume. Which one? This one should be right at the back. Okay. I think I'll use this one. I love this Shrikant so much. If you haven't tried it, you should definitely go right now to D-Mart and get this one. You would love it. I love it too. So that's my chotu sa D-Mart shopping. It was quite boring this time anyways. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't know, it was like absolutely completely 100% random vlog. I had no clue. I was just going with the camera on the entire day for whatever I was doing. But yes, I kind of enjoyed. I'm back from D-Mart. It was really boring to be true this time. Didn't really get much. So yeah, just would chill for some time right now, watch some videos, do some time pass, and have my dinner, do my little bit of skincare, and that's it. So yes, let's wrap today's video, and I shall meet you all soon in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.